Have you ever wondered what truly makes you, you? The answer lies deep inside your cells, in a complete set of instructions called your genome. So, what exactly is a genome? A genome is the entire set of DNA in a living organism, like a master blueprint for building and running your body. It includes all of your genes, but also much more. Let's break it down. Genes are like individual instructions. Each one tells the cell how to make a specific protein, and proteins do almost everything in your body. Illustration suggestion: show a gene as a highlighted stretch of DNA, with arrows pointing to a protein being made. But here's the twist: genes make up only about 1 to 2% of your entire DNA. The rest? For a long time, scientists called it junk DNA, but now we know it plays important roles too, like controlling when and where genes are active. So, your genome equals genes plus regulatory regions plus lots of other sequences with hidden functions. Visual: pie chart of genome with small slice labeled genes and rest labeled non-coding DNA. Now, how is this genome stored? Inside nearly every cell, your DNA is packaged into structures called chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs, 46 in total. If you stretched out all the DNA in just one of your cells, it would be about 2 meters long, but it's packed tightly into a microscopic nucleus. That's like fitting a 10,000-page book into a tiny pill. Visual: zoom-in animation showing DNA wrapping into chromosomes inside a cell nucleus. And here's something amazing: your entire genome is made of just 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. These are the bases of DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. They pair up, A with T, and C with G, forming the famous double helix. Think of them as the alphabet of life. Visual: DNA strand showing base pairing rules, AT, CG. Now here's where things get fascinating. Every person's genome is about 99.9% identical. But that 0.1%? It's what makes you unique, from your hair color to your risk of certain diseases. So small changes in your genome can have big effects. Visual: side by side of 2 people, highlighting small genetic differences. In 2001, scientists finished the Human Genome Project, the first complete map of our DNA. It was a huge leap in understanding human biology and medicine. Today, genome sequencing is faster and cheaper than ever, and it's changing how we diagnose, treat, and even prevent diseases. So when we say we're decoding life, we're often talking about the genome. It's the code that writes who we are, how we grow, and even how we might evolve. Subscribe to Decoding Life for more episodes where we make the complex simple and bring the science of you to life.